Thor Broadcast would like to present our top 5 fiber to RF. Here we have 5 professional-grade quality products. The first one is GPS over Fiber, reference timing fiber optic waterproof solution. Waterproof outdoor GPS fiber optic transmitter and 19 inches rack-mountable receiver, sends the signal from a GPS antenna to a receiver over single-mode fiber. The transmitter and receiver has RF and optical meters, allows quick and seamless implementation without any optical and RF instruments. The second unit is L-band over Fiber TX plus RX Basic 1CH kit. L-band RF satellite signal extender over fiber optic cable transport system, multiple L-band fiber optic transport up to 80 km. Can also provide LNB power at various voltages. The third one is one L-band LNB dish over fiber extender with outdoor enclosure. Satellite RF1 L-band over fiber system complete transmitter and receiver kit for harsh environment or outdoor installations. The fourth product is 4CH L-band over single fiber extender 45 to 3000 MHz CWDM, 4CH LNB satellite dish fiber optic transport over SMFOC, 4 laser satellite TV antenna feed over fiber optic transmitter system with internal CWDM optics. Ideal for point-to-point transport or point up to 32 multi-point. Most advanced multi-channel satellite distribution system for MDU. Maximum durability with advanced automatic system adjustments to deliver 100% clear HD TV programming with zero signal loss. The fifth product is 6 GHz RF over fiber. Up to 6 GHz analog RF optical transport, RF over fiber transmitter, receiver for SATCOM, GPS, WiMAX, LTE, DOS RF transport applications. For more information about the products, please check the link in the description below the video. Thank you for watching.